Acid rain, a seemingly innocuous term, belies a serious environmental problem with far-reaching consequences. In essence, acid rain is precipitation with a lower pH level than usual, making it more acidic. This increased acidity is not a natural phenomenon. It is the result of human activities, primarily the burning of fossil fuels. While we often think of acid rain's impact on forests and aquatic life, its insidious effects on human health are equally alarming. The formation of acid rain begins with the release of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides into the atmosphere. These pollutants are primarily generated by power plants, factories, and vehicles that rely on fossil fuels. Once airborne, these chemical compounds undergo a transformation, reacting with water, oxygen, and other substances to form sulfuric and nitric acids. These acids then dissolve in rainwater, snow, or even fog, creating what we know as acid rain. This acidic precipitation can travel long distances, carried by wind patterns, making it a transboundary environmental problem. What might begin as industrial emissions in one country can have detrimental effects on the air quality and health of populations thousands of miles away. The health implications of acid rain are multifaceted and often indirect. Acid rain doesn't typically burn skin on contact. Instead, its dangers lie in the fine particulate matter, or PM2.5, that it carries. These microscopic particles, small enough to penetrate deep into our lungs and even enter our bloodstream, pose significant health risks. Exposure to PM2.5 has been linked to a range of respiratory problems, including asthma, bronchitis, and decreased lung function. For individuals with pre-existing respiratory conditions, acid rain can exacerbate symptoms, leading to increased hospitalizations and even premature death. Furthermore, studies have shown a correlation between long-term exposure to PM2.5 and an increased risk of heart disease and stroke. The effects of acid rain are not hypothetical, they are a stark reality in many parts of the world. The Black Triangle, a region spanning parts of Germany, Poland, and the Czech Republic, stands as a stark reminder of the devastating impact of unchecked industrial pollution. Decades of acid rain have ravaged forests, acidified lakes, and left a legacy of respiratory illnesses among the local population. Similarly, in China, rapid industrialization coupled with lax environmental regulations has resulted in widespread acid rain, impacting air quality and human health. The Chinese government has acknowledged the severity of the problem and has implemented measures to curb emissions, but the road to recovery is long. The pervasiveness of acid rain underscores the urgent need for global cooperation in tackling this environmental challenge. Reducing our reliance on fossil fuels, investing in renewable energy sources, and implementing stricter emission standards are crucial steps in mitigating the health risks posed by acid rain. The health of our planet and the well-being of future generations depend on the actions we take today.